Welcome back, guys. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be cooking some nice Guyanese Cookup rice and some jerk chicken on the barbecue. But before we get started, I'm going to give you guys a quick update of the garden and we'll get started from there. Okay guys, we'll start with the tomato plants, and this is what my tomato plants looked like about 2 weeks ago. Now, literally within 2 weeks, those same exact tomato plants are about 9 to 10 foot tall. The tomatoes, them are also looking really good. They should be ripe within the next 2 weeks. Now, right next door we have the sage. We have a bit of chives, oregano. There's my pepper plant. I've already gotten maybe about 9 till maybe 12 peppers already from that one plant. And this is the basil. It's looking really nice and healthy. Okay guys, that was a quick little tour. Now let's start that barbecuing. Okay, first I'm going to start by scoring the chicken legs. This allows the seasoning to get all in the chicken. And for the jerk seasoning, I'm going to be using the Grace jerk seasoning. If you like, you can make your own, but I prefer to purchase one of these seasoning. So next step is just to get the seasoning onto the chicken. Once that is completed, put in a plastic bag and stick it in the fridge for overnight or for about 2 to 3 hours before you start barbecuing. Okay guys, we're gonna spark that barbecue up now. And start adding the chicken now to the grill. Now just give the chicken a flip. Everything's looking really good. Okay guys, now we're gonna start assembling the cook-up rice. We have onions, garlic, cilantro, hot pepper, as I said, garlic. We have a lot of seasoning. The recipe will absolutely be in the description, so take a look at that. Now we're gonna add all of that seasoning to the pot. Give it a little stir. Now we're gonna add the rice. Once again, give it another little stir. Now we're gonna add the kidney beans, coconut milk, and chicken stock, or beef stock if you prefer. Once again, give it a little stir. Cover it and just let it simmer. Okay guys, we're gonna head back over to the grill to check on the chicken. Everything's looking really good. Gonna give it a little bit of movement just to make sure it's not sticking. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Consists of just your general barbecue sauce with a mixture of that jerk seasoning. I'm gonna give the chicken a flip and same process, add that barbecue sauce to the other side. Now what I'm doing is adding a little bit of dried cherry chips, wood chips I should say, to create that smoke. Now I'm going to move the cook-up rice onto the grill and make sure all of that smoke get into the chicken and into that cook-up rice. Now let's take a look at it to see what it looks like. Everything's looking really good. The rice looks good, the chicken looks good. I'm gonna take this inside, plate it, and have a bite to eat. Once again, guys, if you like this video, do subscribe, hit that like button. Much appreciated. Take care.